Introducing the 2023 Skoda Karoq AMB 2.0 TDI with 115 horsepower, this dynamic 5-door vehicle is sure to turn heads with its sleek blue exterior and luxurious interior features. Loaded with comfort and safety amenities like air conditioning, collision avoidance braking, and LED lights, this car is perfect for any journey. With only 700 kilometers on the clock and registered in 2023, this Skoda Karoq is as good as new. Not to mention, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification, comprehensive warranty, and so much more. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Call us at Joe Norris Motors or visit our website for more information.